Boys just arrived at the Key headquarters and we're about to pick it up. Oh yeah.
I like how every box has a different name.
I was just gonna say that. We have Mindy.
Sully. Who's under here is Wendy. Oh, that's Randall.
Welcome, Ronald. Oi has arrived at KHQ.
Oi,
Can we get a
lady.
oi, oi?
Oi, oi. I'm a sofa in a box. Don't act like you're not impressed.
Oh, hey. I want this for my house.
Hey everybody, it's me, John Rivero, CEO and founder of Key Creative. We're here in the new Key HQ. We're so excited to open up our Oi furniture. Big shout out to Jason, CEO and founder of Oi. Thank you so much for this amazing product. Our Key Creative team is so excited to be able to use this. Very creative, very fun, and most importantly, very engaging for the brain. So thank you very much, and let's enjoy this product together.
Woo!
Who you got there?
Randall.
Randall's
Oh,
a nice sky boots. Each cellular unit has 3 pieces. Smells good.
Smells good.
Oi, oi. It's all about the base. 1.
All it's missing is a little line here. Make it Key. Oi, Key. Coincidence? I think not. So far, so good. Whew. Take a look at Jeremiah here. Set him free. I'll set you free, Jeremiah.
It's a sofa taco.
For all your Oi social media needs, check out Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and hashtag I like Oi. Also, hashtag create your awesome or Key Creative. This is Sully. Color is Sully. Can you read on the box?
Sully is fuchsia, my favorite color.
So far in our Key HQ, we've been able to unbox and set free 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Oi beings. Over here, this is our modular furniture, and basically we can create different shapes on how we want to use it. Hold the pillow.
I was like, I could like lay it across like this. Yes. Do it.
Key Oi! Yeah. So take a different piece.
Yeah, slide them out. Okay. What is that?